Growing up as a boy in a wheelchair, I never thought I'd be climbing mountains. From when I was in a wheelchair, to a frame, to a walking stick, to how I am now. Anything is possible with a disability. This was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Good morning, Joe.
Good morning, sir.
You ready?
I am indeed.
So, Joe, why did you decide to climb Mount Snowdon?
I wanted to show people that limitations is just a barrier, and I wanted to inspire people to show them that, anything is possible with cerebral palsy, and make sure people feel like they can achieve anything in life.
The first 10 minutes is horrible. Yippee. If anyone can do it, Joseph Bird can do it.
Why was this challenge so important to you, given the challenges that you have been presented in life?
Firstly, I want to highlight the fact that I wanted to raise money for people that need it, for Make-A-Wish. I wanted to prove that anything is possible with a disability and help disabled people feel inspired and to open their horizons and try and help them to move forward with their lives.
What was the hardest part of this climb for you?
It was the part where I had to climb quite a severe gradient, and obviously it was very rocky, and there was a high risk of me falling backwards just because the gradient was so severe, but I had the people behind me keeping me balanced, and also I had my sticks to help me keep balanced. But I felt that I wanted to go into that challenge and push my body, and I was successful in doing that.
So what did you think of when you get low?
I try and think about the things that I cannot change and the things I can build upon. So the fact that I have cerebral palsy, I cannot change. However, I can build upon that and improve my abilities. And this motivates me to stay focused on the present and not what could have been.
So we know what you think of when you get low. What would you say was the funniest moment of the climb?
I met a man at the bottom of the mountain, and he was very encouraging. He thought I was really inspiring. And as I got 3/4 up the way of the mountain, he saw me again. And when he saw me, he said, "No way." He couldn't believe I managed to get as far as I did. And everybody started clapping afterwards, and it was just a lovely feeling, and I felt really encouraged to complete the climb.
emotions did you feel when you summited the mountain?
All the hard work I've done in my life, it felt like it came to fruition at the top of the mountain. So the stages from when I was in a wheelchair, to a frame, to a walking stick, to how I am now, it's helped me to be, grateful for what I've done and achieved, and it's a really sensational feeling.
What is one thing that you want to say to the person watching this who is suffering with cerebral palsy or any other physical or mental disability?
Any boundary that's in their way can be overcome through motivation, mindset, and understanding of their disability. Take your time to understand your body and how your disability affects you, and try and find ways to overcome any boundary in life.
Thank you very much, Joe.
My pleasure.